Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error when you try to download some app after you update your iPhone to iOS 14, and also you have error with the cannot download app. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to try is just swipe up and just turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and turn it off. So it will restart your mobile data and also your Wi-Fi data. So just try it this way first. Another thing you need to check is just find your Wi-Fi. And if you're using Wi-Fi, just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi and also you have good internet connection. So also you can try to tap here on blue icon and just forget this network. Just turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi and try to connect again. So just by entering password again and just connecting to your Wi-Fi. So this is the first thing you need to try. Another thing you can also just, if you're using mobile data, just restart your mobile data, turn off and turn on again, and just try again to open App Store and just download some app. And also, the problem sometimes can be in date and time. So just fix if you set automatically here turn on, and if you turn off here, just turn on, set automatically. So you can also check manually if your time is correct. So just check here, and if it doesn't help you, you can also try to reset. Just open reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just try to reset network settings. And the last thing you can also try is just restart your phone. So just shut down here in the general. You will see here image with slide to power off. So just slide and wait some time and just turn on again your phone. So I hope that some of these methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.